Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create social media tracker in spreadsheet using AI. So let's get started with the video. So basically we have the chat GPT and we need to open the spreadsheet, new spreadsheet. We can enter, could you please tell me to create the social media tracker on spreadsheet? And give this basic prompt to ChatGPT. It will give you all step by step what you need to do. So basically, as you can see here, it has given you a column. You just need to copy this. You will get a copy template. You need to go to your spreadsheet and paste that particular prompt here. Paste that particular prompt. So as you can see here, it has given you the column names. You can just remove this since it's already been there. Now, if you want to add extra details here, you can just add it over here. And when you will scroll down here, you will see it has given a particular platforms where you can add for like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So we can make a edit over here in under platform. What you can do, just select that particular row. You can just touch that row, right click on it, and here you will get an option of data validation. Click on this data validation and here click on add rule. Here you can mention the platform names, for example LinkedIn. Here you can mention another item for like Instagram. You can mention another, for example, what it can be, Facebook. And you can click on done. If you want to add any colors over here, you can add it. For like Instagram, you can add red. For Facebook, you can add any color. It's totally up to you. Then you can click on done. So here you will see that there is a kind of scroll down menu which you can choose from here directly, so you do not have to enter it. You have option over here. You can mention the date posted, what kind of post it is, content, likes, comments, shares, reach. You can mention all these details over here. So for a sample, we can just write date posted. You can mention any date. Here is it for Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. So I've mentioned Instagram. Post type, I will mention reel. What is the content? Basically, I can write it is a fitness content. Likes, how many likes are there? You can mention here. How many comments are there? You can mention how many shares are there. And what is the reach? So basically, it's your account reach. You can mention according to your details over here, and same you can do likewise for others platform as well, other platform as well, whatever you need to mention. So this is how you can basically keep the track of your social media. So if the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.